Chapter 4, Cellular Energy, Breakdown of Glucose. The point is to have energy and to form ATP molecules. Oxidation is the aerobic, which means that allows the process to go through the steps here. Step 1, glycolysis. Step 2, Krebs cycle and electron transport chain. Enzymes, which allow the process to occur, and so on. There's my scribbling writing. There's my molecule. Glucose enters. That's my Krebs cycle, which happens in the cytoplasm, I believe. And then electron chain, which is the end goal of the whole process. There's my phosphate bond that I tried to draw, which is the ATP and the breakdown into your ADP, and then you want to form the ATP, so you want to pick up your phosphate, and that's why you need the oxygen to allow the process to occur through the Krebs cycle. And here's my notes and my shapes. That's the aerobic, and the anaerobic, which means there's no oxygen, and that's a different process. With your pyruvates, they will convert to lactate, which if you're a human or an animal, then you're breathing harder, and the process measures when the athletes do VO2 max testing, which means how well your body can use the oxygen that you have, because if you're not having oxygen through the process, then obviously your muscles cramp. And if you're a bacteria, you can make yogurt. And anyways, two processes here, lactate and alcoholic. The alcoholic is how you make bread, and whereas the lactic, you do convert to a lactic molecule. In the next process, you do an ethyl alcohol, which loses a carbon and then produces the CO2. It talked about making alcohol, beer, and anyways, that's the anaerobic process. And I think that's the end of my note scribbles.